Hello everyone and welcome to D3 Lab. Today I'm going to create a website with you, and this is a website of an NGO called Samarth Foundation. Let's get started with it. So now we have elements. This element is the root of every component into our software. This is the user interface. Everything related to the user interface will be inside this, and this is the server. And as it's clear from the name, the server will cater everything related to the server part of this website. So now let's create the user interface first. In order to do that, let's first edit user interface. So now I'm going to edit it. Now let's put the title, Summer Foundation. I will add the description later on. Let's put some. This is the keyword that's important for the SEO optimization of your website. Now I'm going to add some views into it. Here, if we want to know more about the subtype content into the from the subtype section, all we have to do is to click on the info button, and it's a whole lot of information about that component. So as we can see, this is the this is the description of the component, and the subtype details contains the description of all the components that can be its subtypes, and you can drag and drop into the description of panel as of drag and drop into the panel as it's cleared now. Now we have to put some views into it. Let's add a, now I'm editing the view. I'm adding some page layout into the view, and inside the page layout I'm writing the label. This is the main page. Label is nothing but a comment into our software so that you can know better about this software. Now I am putting some page into it. I will tell you more about all these things, all these components as we go on, but let's focus about on the page right now. I'm editing this. Now I'm adding some theme color. I think theme green would be better. Let's hope so. Let's put some nav bar. This is a nav bar which will be populated onto the top of the app or the website that we are currently creating. Now inside the nav bar here is three components. We have left, center, right, and sub navbar. As it's clear from the name, the left is the leftmost side of the navbar, the center is the center part of the navbar, and the right is the rightmost side of the navbar. So let's add something into the center. Let's write the name of it. So I'm adding it. Text color will be automatically decided if I'm not using any text color into it. So let's save it, and I think it's time to show you that we have made the navbar. Here we go. As you can see, this Samarth Foundation, this is the navbar that we have just created. This is a navbar. Now I'm going back to the page. Inside the page, I'm going to add some page contents. This page contents contains all the data that will be after the navbar. I'm going to edit the page contents. Here are some of the options into it. Let's add them all to the default so that it can be easy. Right now I'm adding some badge into it, and also some, no, let's remove it. Let's add some block header or the block title. I'm adding it. What should be text? We can change the text color as we wish, and this is the style ID. But I will tell you right now. But this, let's deploy it. Okay, here we go. The NGO for the needy ones is right here, and let's see how it looks into a web view. Okay, here we go. This is the web view of the one that I was talking about. Let's come back to our main page. Okay, into the page contents, we have so many components that we can add together. Uh, if you want to know more about that component, just click into the info button and you will get a detailed information about that component. And according to your choice, you can just drag into it and put it inside the sub content, just subtype content. So that's it for making a new page into it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and remember, if you think you can, you can.